Hi guys, welcome to this exciting new video where I will be making delicious and fluffy naan bread with just two simple ingredients. While traditionally made in the tandoor oven, I will be showing you a quick and easy way to make naan at home in the air fryer or on a pan by using just flour and yogurt. So whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is perfect for anyone looking to add a new flavour to their meal. So let's get started and learn how to make this mouth-watering naan bread with only two ingredients. So this recipe makes 5 medium-sized naans. I have started by adding 2 cups of self-raising flour into a bowl and 1 cup of natural yogurt. So this recipe is only made with 2 ingredients, but you can add some salt to taste if you wish. This is completely optional. I gave that a good mix until it formed a dough. If your dough is not coming together, just add a little bit more yogurt. I did not add any water, any milk or any yeast to this mixture. I simply used the yogurt to mix it into a dough. So for a normal naan recipe, you will have to prove the dough for a couple of hours before you start to make your naans. We're not going to do that, we're just going to get straight on with making the naans. So I have kneaded this for a further 5 minutes on the work surface. This is another step that is completely optional. I've just put some olive oil over my hands and rubbed that on the dough. I'm now going to make my desired naan shapes. So another optional step, I have decided to make garlic naan, so I've peeled and crushed some garlic. To make quick garlic butter, I've just minced some garlic. I have added a slice of butter and some coriander into a bowl. I've put that in the microwave for a minute and let that melt. So this garlic butter is now ready. I'm going to brush that over the naan later. Back onto the naans, I'm going to lightly flour the surface and roll out the dough. I have now finished rolling out the dough. I'm going to press down on each naan like so using the back of a kitchen knife. There is no need to do this, I think it's just for decoration purposes. So I have decided to make these in my air fryer oven. You can choose to make these on a pan, just cook it for 2 minutes on each side on a hot pan. So in my air fryer oven, which I have linked in the description below, it just needed 5 minutes on 230°C. 5 minutes later, these naans are fully cooked through. We're just going to brush that garlic butter on top and serve it hot and fresh. And it's just as simple as that. These naans are now ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section. Thanks guys, till next time.